Hello again. I have a question. It's not about Final Cut, even though Final Cut is on the screen. It's about Premiere Pro. I ended up getting Premiere to work better on macOS, on my Hackintosh, and it works a lot better now. My question is this. Now, this is common across both macOS and Windows. It was horrible on Windows. It's even worse on macOS. Now, I don't understand. So, I'm moving the cursor through the timeline. I'm watching back content. I know it's a bit laggy. It's because it's just caching all the content. You can see my hand goes on my mouse now. The camera quality is beautiful. So if I scroll across the timeline, you can see it's just so jumpy. It's disgusting. It's lagging horribly in Premiere. And to be honest, if I'm making slight adjustments, you can see I'm moving the mouse right now, and I'm not getting anything. It has to be a larger movement in order for Premiere to figure it out. This is Final Cut Pro, latest build. Look at this. See this? Slightest movement and the timeline's moving. And it works based off of how quickly I'm moving the mouse, obviously. So I'm just wondering, is there anything I can do to fix Premiere? Has anyone ever encountered this issue before? I guarantee you have, because I've asked my other friends and they've had the exact same issue. So yeah, if anyone knows a solution, a fix, please let me know. The only thing that I can think of is that the timeline is based on the frame rate, and therefore the polling of the mouse is also linked to that frame rate. So, i.e., for a 24 FPS timeline, it would be worse. 30 would be slightly better. 60 would be even better. And then I don't even know why you would be working at 120 FPS, but if you are, I would assume that is probably better. But I don't have any 120 FPS content to shoot, so I don't know how I would test that. But either way, if anyone has an idea or knows, please let me know. One potential fix that I can think of is going back to that linked frame rate to timeline scrolling, polling thing. If we could somehow set the timeline up with a virtual frame rate, so i.e. it polls at 120 FPS, but really the timeline is only like 30 or 29.97 or 24, whatever it is, but it polls the mouse at 120. That might fix it. I don't know. The other thing I can also think of might be the refresh rate of the monitor, but that would be stupid. And it also doesn't give rise to why the Final Cut Pro X timeline works better than Premiere's does if they're both on the same Hertz monitor. Anyway, I'll stop talking. If anyone has any ideas, please let me know.